G'day gang, how's it going? Trev here from Trev's Life, and on today's video I'm going to be making some delicious toasted oatmeal in the 10-inch Dutch oven with the charcoal briquettes. Alright, let's get into it. Rightio gang, toasted oatmeal for brekkie. Let's do it. So for starters, get yourself a bowl, whack in the bowl 1/4 cup of melted butter. Next thing, 1/2 cup of milk. I'm using almond milk, but you can use whatever sort of milk you like. Thirdly, 1/2 cup of brown sugar. In she goes. Next thing, 1 egg. Right, now vanilla. You can measure this if you want. I'm going to say 1 teaspoon. Right, so give that lot a bit of a mix. It's basically all your wet ingredients. Mix them up like so. Right, next ingredient is 1.5 cups of oats. In she goes. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Truth. Still brand new. Righto. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. In she goes. Next thing, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. Beautiful. What else? Okay, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. In she goes. Alright, so now we just give that a bit of a quick mix. Like so. Mixy, 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 mix. This is a quick, delicious recipe, which is a bit of a different spin on traditional porridge. Okay, so now what we do is we get our 10-inch Dutch oven, which I've already oiled the bottom of it. I gave it a wipe out with a cloth, put in a little bit of canola oil, give it a little wipe around so she doesn't stick, and then you get your mix like this. I think you can see it from there. And in she goes. I reckon this is enough to do 2 of yours, because once it's cooked, I'm going to add some apple, some berries, bits and pieces, a little bit of honey, and it's going to be delicious. Alright, give us a bit of a look. So that's what she looks like. Beautiful golden goodness. So now we just spread it out, and now with your briquettes, I'll bring you over and show you what I'm doing there. Right, gang. So what we do now is we put 8 charcoal briquettes on the bottom and then 12 on the lid. Okay, so first of all, actually get this out of the way. Truth, I think the briquettes are a bit melted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like so. Put your little trivets on like that. Pop him on top, and then you put your other 12 briquettes on top. like so. Spread them around. And now we let that bake for 20 minutes and then we'll come back and check it out. Rightio gang, it's been about 25 minutes. I checked them at 20, wasn't quite ready. 25 minutes and they are perfect. Let's have a look. Oh yeah. I'll give you a close up. There she is. Beautiful golden brown toasted oats. Kind of like an oatmeal cookie, or in Australia we call them Anzac bickies. But let's not muck around. Let's go and plate it up and see how she tastes. Alrighty, feeding time at the zoo. So let's get ourselves a little bit of this delicious, crunchy, golden goodness. Look at that. Whack a bit in there like that. Now, a little bit of milk on. Noisy truck going past. Alright, next thing, mixed berries. Chuck a couple of them on top. Oh yeah. Yum, yum, yum. And also, I'm going to do a little bit of grated fresh apple. Truth, I'm a bit of a messy bugger. But anyway, put that on as well. And that is a beautiful, delicious, golden, crunchy breakfast. Yeah, let's give it a taste. Rightio, there she is. Eating time. Ah, Struth. If you want to make it a little bit more sweeter, get yourself a little drizzle of honey. Put it over like that. This is our own. This honey is made by Chris, this lovely lady in our family. So it's beautiful honey. It's not that dodgy imported stuff. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is without a doubt one of the most delicious ways you can start your day on a healthy note. That is so good. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video. If you can stick down in the comments any other things you'd like to see me cook in a traditional style, or anything you'd like me to cook, I'll have a crack at anything. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a good day. I'll see you on the next one. Ta-da.